In this introduction, we will delve into the concept of transforming obstacles into opportunities. Embracing a positive mindset is paramount, as it empowers us to recognize the inherent potential within any given situation. By approaching obstacles with an open mind and a willingness to explore alternative perspectives, we unlock the ability to uncover hidden opportunities that can propel us forward. In this segment, we will delve into the art of identifying obstacles. By breaking them down into smaller, more manageable pieces, we gain a clearer understanding of their nature and potential impact. This step-by-step process empowers us to develop targeted strategies for overcoming each obstacle, setting us on a path toward successful resolution. Overcoming obstacles is a crucial step in the journey of turning them into opportunities. In this segment, we will explore a variety of strategies for dealing with different types of obstacles. By understanding the unique characteristics of each obstacle, we can tailor our approach to maximize our chances of success. This segment will equip you with the tools and techniques to effectively navigate and overcome any obstacle that may arise. In this final segment, we will delve into the art of transforming obstacles into opportunities. By adopting a proactive mindset and embracing a step-by-step process, we can leverage obstacles to our advantage. This segment will provide practical guidance on how to identify opportunities within obstacles and develop strategies to capitalize on them. By learning to turn obstacles into opportunities, we unlock the potential for growth, innovation, and success.